Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to get your ChatGPT API key from OpenAI. Whether we are building an app, a website, or an automation project, we will walk you through the simple steps to create an account, access the developer dashboard, and generate your API key securely. Let's get started. We are on the OpenAI dashboard. This is not the ChatGPT page, but they are connected. From here, we go to the login page. We click the login button in the upper right corner. Then we select the API platform option here. We log into our account and choose the platform we want to use. In this case, we will use Google Mail. We just need to complete a quick verification. Once we are logged in, we go to the API key section on the left side of the page. We click on it and then select Create a new secret key. Here we can enter a name for the key. This is optional, and choose our project or leave it as the default. Then we click Create Secret Key. And there it is. Our secret key has been generated. Quick and simple. We are now ready to start integrating AI into our projects using our new ChatGPT API key. Just remember to keep your API key private and secure at all times.